For summer is for falling in love.
This gated community not only is private and quiet, it features its own park, basketball courts, barbecue area. It is perfect for the family and for the individual. It's also close enough and walking distance to every shopping center you're gonna need. Let's go take a look at the house. When you first walk in, you'll notice one of two spacious living rooms. As you walk through the archways, you come into a great big open area. The kitchen has a built-in bar, the dining room, and you have your second living room with a built-in fireplace. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 2,200 square feet. This is a massive house. One of the biggest things that I love about this house is the upstairs laundry. You don't have to lug your laundry all the way down the stairs into the garage or into another room. It's right here, right where your main bedrooms are. And now let's take a look at the primary bedroom. This room is massive. Not only does it make this California King look small, it has its own private balcony.